Good morning. It's the Ambassador at 8:30 on Thursday, September 3rd. Emerging markets stronger overnight, led by China, up 4.8%. Largest move in the Shanghai in a couple months on comments from the China Securities and Regulatory Commission that they will be promoting a, quote, stable and healthy market. Now, while this is the kind of jawboning that I think has people very concerned about the Chinese market, it is certainly something that gave a bid to that market overnight. So up 4.8%. The rest of the region also was very strong, and Asia does continue to trade better than the other regions. Malaysia up 48 basis points, Taiwan up 92. Looking into Eastern Europe, though, stronger numbers out of Russia and Czech, Poland, Hungary up around 2%. Also, strong performance on the currency side as we look at a ruble that's rallied almost $1 against, almost 1% against the dollar. The story here clearly is a rebound in crude prices, which moved from 67.40 up to about 68.40, so roughly 160 basis points this morning before pulling back a little bit, but the market holding on to those gains. South Africa up 90 basis points, Israel up 160, and the Middle East also very well bid on higher oil prices. Looking to today's action, Brazil, Mexico indicated up 40 basis points at this point. U.S. futures, which had traded as high as up 1% pre-market, now back slightly on jobless claims numbers. We will all be watching non-farm payrolls tomorrow for a clue about the direction of the labor market. And I think in a light holiday week, there will be greater chance of market volatility. But overall, again, the emerging markets index up 1%. I do think you're seeing follow through in a number of the core stories, both in the metal space and in the commodity space overall. Alcoa this morning making comments about Chinese demand for aluminum, for example, which has given a bid throughout the sector, both in emerging and developed markets. That's it from here.